Hi everyone, today I'm talking to students of NIBM and this is the most diverse batch you can expect anywhere. One of them have work experience, one of them have no work experience, one of them have taken a gap year, one of them have given a CAT exam, CMAT exam, ZAT exam, जितना diversify हो सकता है. Today we have tried to keep it that way. So I would like to start with the introduction first. Where are you from, your work experience and which exam you took to join here?
Yes, so my name is Harish Chopde. I took CAT exam. I have completed my BTech in chemical engineering. Post that I have 5 years of work.
5 years work experience.
Yes, sir. And post that I got. Okay, I came to NIBM.
So I'm Gauri Kulkarni. I have appeared for CMAT, and there I scored 98.75. I'm from Maharashtra only, Sangli. Sangli.
Sangli, okay.
Yeah.
And
Hello,
you're in college, directly from college.
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. Sorry, huh?
Hello sir, Vijay Sharma. I'm Vijay Sharma and I'm from Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. And I have completed my integrated masters in biology from UMDA CBS, and it's in Mumbai. So yeah, and I'm here.
Great. So my next question to you, let's start with you only directly. Why you went for MBA? You have a bio background.
Yes.
All of you have 5 years of work experience. You have directly fresh from college. Why MBA?
So I completed my masters in biology, and the next step would have been pursuing PhD, and I was not inclined towards pursuing that. So for a change, I took an exam, that exam, and I got cleared. And I'm here.
Change. That's one of the main
Yes,
reasons why
that's
people go for MBA.
Yes.
So what was your reason for MBA?
Yeah, it's kind of the same reason. I also didn't wanted to go for PhD, and I wanted a job at the earliest. That's why I chose for MBA, and especially in finance, being from economics background. That's
So
why.
that's second reason normally about I want to work, I want a job first of all job. हाँ भाई 5 साल ऑलरेडी तुम जॉब कर रहे थे. दिस इज द टाइम कि पेरेंट्स बोलते कि बेटा अभी शादी करो लड़की लेके आओ तुम MBA करने चले आए.
अच्छा, प्रेशर तो वो भी था मेरे ऊपर भी, बट सर 5 इयर्स का वर्क एक्स था. एंड एक्चुअली जो जॉब प्रोफाइल था मेरा वो थोड़ा स्टैगनेंट मुझे लगने लगा था. तो मुझे करियर ग्रोथ करना था, एंड फाइनेंस में मुझे पहले से ही थोड़ा इंक्लिनेशन था. तो कॉलेज टाइम से मैं कुछ कोर्सेज वगैरह कर रहा था, बट आफ्टर अ वाइल आई थॉट कि इट वुड बी अ बेटर फॉर मी कि मैं फुल टाइम अगर कुछ प्रोफाइल परस्यू करूँ तो इसलिए फिर मैंने चूज़ किया कि मैं फाइनेंस में ये करूँगा.
Right. And we can see diversification here as well, that all of you have a different reason for that. And there are 3 main reasons why people go for MBA.
Yes,
either you want a better placement, better job already working,
Yes,
but you want a better profile, better role. And second is change. So even I went for MBA because of change. I was bored of engineering, worked in engineering company for 2 years, बस हो गया. So I wanted to move on.
Yes, sir.
And third reason, the way you said मुझे job चाहिए, so I want to start my career. And after MBA, if you can get a better job, why not do that?
Yes.
And logical extension to the career mean finish your degree as much, your education as soon as completed. Because 5 years के बाद once you come back to work, it's very difficult to even to make notes.
Yes,
But you
sir.
might have felt that
Yes,
हाथ
sir,
दर्द
yeah.
होता है यार, because you're not used to writing.
Yes,
So you get used to all these things. Okay, was there any problem in the interview because of your 5 years of work experience? Did they question you or challenge you, or how did you justify your work experience?
यस सर. सो प्रॉब्लम्स मुझे भी थोड़े फेस हुए इंटरव्यू में, कि क्वेश्चन वो भी था कि 5 इयर्स के वर्क के बाद आपको क्यों चूज़ करना है. तो सर एज़ मेरा फाइनेंस में थोड़ा इंक्लिनेशन था, तो मेरे सर्टिफिकेशंस एंड बाकी सारी चीज़ों से वो दिख रहा था उनको भी कि थोड़ा इंक्लिनेशन है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मैं RBI वगैरह जैसे एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए भी प्रिपेयर कर रहा था, तो उसके ऊपर भी मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए. तो आई गेस दैट वाज द वन ऑफ द रीज़न कि दे थॉट कि लाइक आई हैव एक्चुअली इंटरेस्ट इन फाइनेंस.
Correct.
So yeah,
correct.
that could be the
So
reason.
this is one very good reason that rather than saying they want looking for a change this and that, if it's a logical extension of career,
Yes.
कि finance में करो सर सारी उम्र finance में रहना है, then there's no question asked.
Yes.
Then the work ex will be additional.
Additional.
But the moment you say कि I worked in the bank for 5 years, now I want to go to sales, तो बोला इधर आ पहले तो तू then there's a question mark. So if you can create a logical story, then you're safe.
Yes, sir.
Did you same way felt any kind of a issue by why don't you go for work experience directly coming from MBA?
Yeah.
And that also from my economic background to MBA.
Yeah, actually, for PhD, I had to spend 5 years more, and the same reason actually I wanted a job at the
So this
earliest,
reason you
but
same in the interview as well.
no.
What was the interview answer kind of? I want to know the interview answer.
Actually, my interview was completely based on economics.
They didn't ask you question
yeah,
about why.
No, why I'm
तो बच गए आप.
Yeah.
Did you feel the same kind of problem? Okay, no problem.
So the question wasn't to me because even क्योंकि मेरा बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा बायो से है, बट जो मेरा क्योंकि मैंने 2 साल का और ब्रेक लिया था बिकॉज आई वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर RBI एंड नाबार्ड, तो मुझे बैंक की तरफ ही इंक्लिनेशन था नेक्स्ट स्टेप मेरा, एंड दे मस्ट हैव फेल्ट लाइक कि हाँ इट्स अ लॉजिकल स्टेप, सो चूज.
And all of them have proved everyone wrong by converting the college at just borderline clearing the cutoff.
Yes.
Like he cleared the cutoff by 0.1%. Same for you as well. 0.5% they clear the cutoff. So this proves that there is no link between your academic, your CAT CET exam performance and your once you join the college. So I normally say that once you're on the interview table, how you perform in the interview table is the main thing. You have work experience, you have a gap year, is not important at all once you are there.
Right.
So why you selected NIBM? So that's my last question for all of you.
So when I cleared so next step was to find such colleges, and NIBM came because it has good roles. It offers
If I
good roles.
look at the non-CAT exam, I think ZAT ले लो आप, CMAT ले लो, NIBM is the top college which you can apply for.
Yes.
That's a logical sense. ROI wise, every point. of
ROI
view.
वाइज और यहाँ पे रोल्स अच्छे काफ़ी ऑफर होते हैं दूसरे कॉलेजेस से, तो या दिस वाज द रीज़न. या
Correct.
So before joining NIBM, I had a discussion with alumni who are passed out from here, and they were so happy with the curriculum NIBM provides. They were happy with their faculties, their guidance, and according to NIBM's curriculum, NIBM provides even theoretical and practical insights in the banking industry. So today these alumni are working in foreign banks, JP Morgan, Bank of New York, and this year Standard Chartered also came. So that was the best opportunity, I thought.
इसका फोकस जॉब पे ही है, बस एक ढंग की जॉब उठानी है और वही फोकस करना है.
सर मेरे लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एक मेजर रीज़न था, एंड मैं मुंबई से ही बिलोंग करता हूँ, सो मुझे घर के प्रॉक्सिमिटी में मेरे को जॉब कॉलेज चाहिए था, तो वो एक मेरा रीज़न था. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर काफ़ी अच्छा है, यहाँ की लाइब्रेरी बहुत यूज़फुल होती है, सारे जर्नल सारे बुक्स वगैरह हमें इजीली अवेलेबल किए जाते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यहाँ पे कमिटीज़ काफ़ी सारी अच्छी होती है, ऑलमोस्ट 11 कमिटीज़ एंड 4 क्लब्स है. मैं खुद IIC कमेटी का पार्ट हूँ, तो हमें यहाँ पे इतना बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर मिलता है कमेटी के थ्रू भी. सो आई थिंक अपार्ट फ्रॉम एकेडमिक्स वो सारी चीज़ें भी मैंने सर्च कर रहा था कि मैं कौन से कॉलेज में मेरे को उस टाइप का एक्सपोजर मिलेगा. एंड जैसे आपने कहा हुआ था कि इंटरव्यू टेबल के ऊपर जो होता है, सो मैं भी डाउटफुल था कि मेरे को मिल सकता है या नहीं मिल सकता है. सो उस केस में लुकिंग एट माई बैकग्राउंड एंड सारी चीज़ें, इंटरव्यू पैनल ने भी वो बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया. सो आई थिंक कि वो लोग भी ऐसे ही लोग चाहते हैं कि जो जेन्युइनली जिनको इंटरेस्ट है. सो वो चीज़ मुझे अच्छी लगी काफ़ी, तो इसके लिए मेरा फाइनल डिसीजन यही था कि मैं NIBM ज्वाइन करूँगा.
Great. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Yes, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.